YouTube. Eric DIY here with a very special review. As you know, Zach has helped me an awful lot on these videos. He's been helping me all summer with getting the yard up into shape. We're mulching and all this and that. He spent hours with me lifting heavy things. And as you know, Maddie is just awesome. My 1-year-old Maddie. So we've decided to get them something special, Mom and I. And we're going to review it at the same time because it's that awesome. And what we got, both Maddie and Zach, is this Banzai Slide and Soak Splash Park. As you know, we reviewed a slip and slide about a week and a half ago here on the Eric DIY channel. And we've been looking for one of these for a while. They're a little more expensive. And this one was on sale from Kohl's, so we decided to buy it. But it is also available on Amazon, so let's open it up. Look at the top of the box, the Banzai Slide and Soak Splash Park. It has a blower fan that keeps it inflated, and it has 2 outlets for water. It has a nice little wading pool below. So it's kind of like a combination of a pool / activity at the same time, and it's claimed to inflate in 2 minutes. So we'll see if that's true, but let's just get it built first. So that's where we're going to set up the main slide over there. That's what comes in the box. Also in the box is a carrying bag. Directions to set it up. You have safety instructions there. Stakes to tie it down. Some tubes probably to have the outlets to the water go out there. And the electric blower. So that is what is in the box. I'll let you know it also comes with some vinyl patches. So if it gets holes in it, it can be fixed. So there's a whole direction book right here, and it says to unfold the constant air inflatable in desired position. It's going to be around there. It's kind of hard to roll out right away, but I think with the air thing will be better. It says lay out the water hose assembly and match the number on each sprayer to the correct position on the arch of the inflatable. Once the numbers are matched, attach the sprayers to the arch in corresponding position using the Velcro patches provided. So it's attached by Velcro. Secure the water tubing using the Velcro hooks and loops located on the top of the arch and down the side of the inflatable. It has all pictures for this. So I'm going to go do that right now. So I was a little confused at first, but here's the Velcro and there's the number. So I'm going to match up the tubing over there with the right number. And as you can see, it says number 1 on it. So that sticks to number 1. Now as you can see, they're both Velcroed on now, number 1, number 2. And we're going to run the tube and tie it up with these Velcro things. So number 2's all connected through there. It's one tube, by the way, that connects both. There's number 1. It just Velcros into the slide. And then you're obviously going to hook up the hose to this. It has the hose ending right there. The next step is attaching the blower, which is this right here, to the big input hose to blow up the whole thing. So I have an extension cord there. I'm going to hook that up after. And again, it has GFCI, which it should have because this is a water product. So that is a nice thing to see. It's not a cheap, non-safe product. Blower is attached. It says make sure it's on level ground, which it is. I staked it in there because of those 3 stakes to put right into the blower. Keeps it down. And don't let it suck in dirt or leaves. I think that's fine right where it is. I have to locate the loops around the bottom of the inflatable next and anchor them to the turf. And after that, we're gonna blow this thing up. So here we go. So I was putting stakes around, I found this. It's a short air release tube. So you gotta tie that up and close it. So I didn't really see that in the directions. I probably missed it. But just to point out that you do have an air release tube that you have to close. Everything is staked down. We have it plugged in. So we're gonna go turn on the blower. And it's supposed to blow up in under 2 minutes. And do not allow children to use the inflatable until installed. Zach doesn't even know about it yet, so he's coming out after. So we have to close the water valve at the bottom of the pool after that. Fill the pool with water before playing. Thoroughly wet all slide surfaces, platforms, and climbing walls before use to ensure optimal play performance. And there's a maximum fill line in the pool. So let's see what happens. We're gonna leave the blower blowing at least. Get water in there. Get this thing going. All right, so that's been blowing out for about, I'd say, 30 seconds. And it seems to be filling up like it says in under 2 minutes or 2 minutes, whatever it was. So, yeah, that's pretty big. I did break one of the stakes, by the way. But I think they give you an extra one because I checked all around twice. And I want to look and see again if there's any more straps I have to do it. And I did it very loosely, but you want to be careful with these stakes. I had one shatter. Right, let's see if that top part inflates or not. We'll have to go check the blower. All right, we started filling the pool now. So fill it up. It's not inflating up there, so I'll have to check that out. See what's going on. I also have to push down the drain valve over there in the corner, so I'm gonna go do that now too. So we're gonna continue letting that fill with water for the pool part. We're gonna wet the slide down, but as you can see, it's gonna have a water shower over here. And on top of the water slide, we might have to adjust it a little bit, but with Velcro, we have the spray coming down the slide. So this is gonna be good. You really can't be worried about how much water you're using on this one, especially in this weather because it's 90 degrees out today. So this should cool down the kitties, and I hope that it shows them how much mom and dad really love them. So I found out the reason why that wasn't blowing up all the way. I had this tube caught underneath, and it needs to be a straight line with the blower to the side. So make sure you put the blower to the side when you get it. And after that, this thing is golden. The sprayer will be connected over here on the side, going up to the slide. They'll have a shower over there. Connect these sprayers, and then we're all set for the kitties who wants to get out of here. All right, Zach, are you ready for your surprise?
Yes.
Maddie, are you ready for your surprise?
Oh, she already saw it.
Well, she doesn't really know what it is, so she sees it. So let's go down there. Let's go. Come on, I'll follow you.
Where are we going?
Backyard. Here we go. What do you think? It's a water park.
Really? I thought it was have a review.
It's a water park. You better go get your bathing suit on. Come right back out, okay? Excited?
All right.
All right, I'll wait for you. What'd you just say? Did you say whoa? Go ahead. No, you don't want to put your hands in? Okay. We have to adjust that sprayer a little bit, but Zach's having too much fun.
It's cold.
You-
Okay, I still want to go on it.
So I will say this, after you set it up, you're gonna have to move those sprinklers to where they need to be with the Velcro, but Zach seems to be having fun no matter what. Nice job. Hey, Maddie.
Why is this squiggly thing?
Hey, Maddie, are you ready? Give me one, that's fine. That's fine.
I'm ready.
Go. Great job. All right, now, Zach, watch out for Maddie.
Yeah.
And I want you to take this camera, and I want you to hold it right in front of you when you slide down. Can you do that? All right, go.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do it. Ready? Ready, set, go. That's it, guys.
I think Miss Maddie approves. Hi, Maddie. Yay! So I would say the hardest thing about this water slide so far has been adjusting these Velcro sprayers. And that's because you kind of set them up when it's still deflated, and then when it inflates, you know that you have to move it over, but you already Velcroed everything down. So I can't get up there. The weight limit is 150 pounds altogether on the slide. So, and they only want one person up at a time. 120 pounds single person on the slide is the weight limit on that. But for Zach, it's nothing. The actual ladder climbing up, as Miss Maddie's trying to show us, has these nice footholds in there. So you get right up there and it has these handles that you grab as you go up. Very robust, they're very well secured on there and they're not going anywhere. So that looks great. And then if we go up the slide area, you'll see that Velcro thing, if I could go up there, I would attach it more to where the Velcro is. So make sure when you set this up that you set it right to the Velcro. What do you think about the water slide?
Good.
I would say that the pros are, it's excellent for what it is, especially when you get it on sale like we did. The cons are just the setup. And it's not that it's really, really hard. It's just that it's a little confusing the first time that you put it on. For example, we finally kind of got that hose to go where it's supposed to go. I did not see that Velcro the full length when I had it all deflated and they tell you to hook up the Velcro. But now that I know what it looks like, I can do it correctly. And I had to adjust the shower one as well to make all the water go on the inside. The other thing that might be a problem later is just pulling the drain out and getting all the water out. But when I did deflate it, just to see what would happen, tons of water came out of the side. So it could be easy to drain. And yeah, overall though, successful, right?
Can we do one more slide, Daddy?
Sure, go do another slide, bud. We're gonna film you. Actually, you gonna take the camera?
Yeah, I wanna
All right, go. One last slide.
All right, guys, this is one last slide.
If you'd like to purchase your Banzai Slide and Soak Splash Park, please look for a link in the description below. We'll see you at Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. And while you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.